What's up, I'm the 1B, and we're going to be doing some more video editing. We're going to be doing it in Adobe Premiere Pro. I was just messing with my monitor there. This project is for, let's see here, video editing. Let's go to video editing squared. We go new folder. This is Vulture, mascot, logo, creation. This is step one. Select that folder. Vulture, mascot, creation, step one. Alright, so first thing we're going to need to do is we're going to need to grab the video. Video is 0423, April 23rd. Let's look at the numbers on that. That is 233644. Bring that down into the project. And then we want to bring in my end screen. End screen. I think it's this one. Yeah, right here. Perfect. And then we're going to drag that into the timeline sequence. And then we're going to just go ahead and do the typical, first thing, you right click, unlink. And then we're going to just break this down real quick. This is audio channel number 1, which is a mix of audio channel 2, 3, and 4. So we don't need that. I use it mostly for syncing. This one here is system audio, which, because it's a video of me working in Photoshop, there is no system audio. If it was a video game or if I was editing video where there was some sound from, you know, what I was doing, then there would be some audio for this channel, but there's not. So we get rid of that one. And then this third one is for Discord. And once that one, and that's obviously if I'm talking to somebody in Discord, then audio would come up in there. And then this last one is for me. This is my audio being recorded. So now that we have those removed, we're going to right click in this open space here. I think you can do it pretty much anywheres. I usually just do it up here so I don't accidentally click anything else. Delete tracks, and then we're going to click delete video tracks, all empty tracks for under this video tracks section, and that's going to get rid of video track 2, video track 3. Do the same thing for audio tracks, so that's going to get rid of audio track 1, audio track 2, audio track 3. Those are just all the empty tracks. Okay, and then while we're at it, we're going to jump up to effects controls. We have the audio selected here. And we're just going to turn that up. I like to turn it up to 15. And basically my thought on that is, my nose itches. My thought is that turning me up, I would rather be too loud than you not be able to hear me. So if I'm too loud, you can turn me down, usually via YouTube audio or your system audio. So, which is far better than not being able to turn me up at all. Then we're going to go ahead and hold shift, and we're going to select both of these, right click and link again. Then we're going to grab the YouTube end screen, drag that to the end. We're going to select that, and we're going to do the same thing, turn those levels up, and we're good. Now all we're going to do is check the beginning, make sure there's nothing here that needs to be clipped. I think I want to start that about here. So we're going to hit Control K, which splits it. Right, so now you have two sections of this video, or two pieces, whatever. And then you want to hit Shift Delete, which is a ripple delete, which is going to pull everything forward where you just removed. You'll see a better example of that here at the end. Thanks for watching. Peace. And we stop right there. Control K again. And now you want to select this portion here Now when I hit Shift Delete, it's going to pull this YouTube end screen portion forward. Shift Delete. Boom. See? Just like that. And then we're going to hit Control S to save. Control M for export settings. We're going to rename this Video Editing Squared, Vulture Mascot Step 1. Vulture Mascot Step 1, V1. Creation Step 1. And then we will click Save. And you could click Export here to have Adobe Premiere Pro export it and render it and encode it, but I like to use Adobe Media Encoder. So I click Q and it's going to open up Adobe Media Encoder, and the reason I do that is because I've had issues in the past with Adobe Premiere Pro having off-synced audio and sometimes lower quality issues. So I just like using Adobe Media Encoder. It's just always just handled so much better. And then that's pretty much it. You could change your settings in here if you needed to. My settings are all set because I've been editing these same type of videos over and over for YouTube. So I'm pretty much good to go. And then once you want to start the encoding process, you will hit the Start Queue button here. And the time it's going to take, supposedly recently, Adobe did an update which is supposed to increase the time, or decrease the amount of time it takes to render videos. We're going to see. And I don't usually do this on screen, on recording. So we'll see how long that's going to take. I'll mention it in my next video. Normally I'm between 10 and 30 minutes on videos, depending on how long they are. And obviously that's going to be different for you because you're going to be doing different types of videos. You're going to have a different you're going to have different components in your PC. Your system is going to be, whatever you built it or bought it as. So it's going to be different for everybody. So while I start this render process, hopefully you'll go and watch one of my other videos on my YouTube channel. And I will talk to you guys later. Peace. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed it. And if you did, please click the circle in the middle to subscribe. The rectangle on your left is another video. The rectangle on your right is a playlist of other videos that you may enjoy. Thanks again. Peace.